students, now we will do exercise number 5A, question number 4. And the question is, which is greater, minus 111 or minus 1111? Which one is greater? Its solution is minus 111 is greater, Now let's prove it. I will prove it by drawing number line for you. I am telling you this for just so that you can understand it. That this is number line. No, it's not a number line. It's a line. This is our number line. This is number line. This is number line. This is not number line. Okay. Now this 0 is in the center. The negative integers are towards the left hand side and positive integers are towards the right hand side. When we move towards our left, the value of integers decreases. Let's move towards left. 0, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. And for example, you will reach here and you will get here minus 111. First you will reach minus 111, then you will reach I increase it. Okay. And then after minus 111, minus 112, 113, 114, then 1000, then 1111, then a point will come when you will reach at minus 1111. So when you will move towards your left, the value of numbers decreases. Minus 1 is less than 0. Minus 2 is less than minus 1. Similarly, when you will move forward and when you will reach at minus 111, and then after skipping many numbers, you will reach at minus 1111. You will find that minus 111 is first, and then after some time you will reach at minus 1111. So following the same sequence, if minus 1 is greater than minus 2, 0 is greater than minus 1, and minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Similarly, minus 111 is greater than minus 1111. I hope you can understand it now.